Hello everyone. I'm super excited and glad in welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Spark Positive. In this video, we are going to discuss on the topic called time management. Time management is an art, and not every one of us are artists. This is a skill that everyone should possess in order to plan and control the day-to-day task so that we will be able to perform the right activities at the right time. Time management is not just for our professional work, but it also helps in our personal lives too. We are going to see 6 simple methods in order to manage our time. The word manage itself will depict us on how to manage our time. The first letter M says maintain to-do list. Everyone has a goal or vision for the day that I'll have to do such and such tasks for today. So create a to-do list in your mind or maybe in your stick notes and maintain it regularly. You can also place that stick notes on your room or on the mirror or on the fridge, wherever you feel comfortable with, and keep evaluating it after every task is completed. The second letter A stands for analyze the importance and the duration. Analyze each and every task you have noted and remember to estimate the duration of each task. This step is very crucial because if you make mistake and a wrong estimation, you may fail in losing your time. The third letter N says note down the priorities. Based on the estimation we have already provided, prioritize your day's task and pick the most important task from the list and start doing it to achieve your goal. This way, more important tasks will be done and the least important or avoidable tasks will be picked up accordingly. The fourth letter A stands for abide by the duration. In order to complete or match our goals, we should abide by our duration. Once we have control over the duration, it becomes easier for us to complete the maximum task within the stipulated time period. The fifth letter G stands for glue to the goal. Sticking to the goal or mission is very important here. Even after prioritizing, we do change our plan intermittently. During the day, we may get diverted with our external sources like long chat with friends, unplanned outings, family gatherings, or some personal commitments to which we can't say no. Irrespective to the situation, never discontinue from your goal. The last letter E says execute as per the schedule. Never ever change a schedule that had already been estimated, because when you change the order, you will miss the track and at the end of the day, you will fail to complete few tasks from the plan. Follow these simple 6 steps and note down the differences. You will be able to see your results will be time saving, intact, maximum, and effective. Control your time because your goal is your prime. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please do share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.